Welcome back, my dear students. So today I have to discussing the last concept in this module, so which is normal distribution. So definition for normal distribution is the continuous probability distribution having the probability density function PDF of f of x is given by. So f of x equal to e to the power minus of x minus mu whole square whole divided by 2 sigma square, then whole divided by sigma into square root of 2 phi. So this formula is called normal distribution. And in normal distribution, here the value of x belongs to the interval minus infinity to plus infinity, and mu hat is also belongs to the interval minus infinity to plus infinity. And standard deviation sigma is always greater than 0. So this formula is called normal distribution, and mean and variance in normal distribution is, so here mean mu is equal to 0 and variance is sigma square. Then standard normal distribution. So in standard normal distribution, the value of x belongs to the interval a to b 1 divided by sigma into square root of 2 phi integration a to b e to the power minus of x minus mu square whole divided by 2 sigma square into dx. Actually, the integration of this function is not possible to integrate directly here. So therefore, we will substituting the value of z as x minus mu divided by sigma. So here we will not integrating all these functions. So we will directly using the formula for our phi of z here. So after substituting z value and integrating, so finally you get it the formula as 1 divided by square root of 2 phi integration 0 to z e to the power minus z square divided by 2 into dz here. So this formula is again called normal distribution. And here one more point, we always remember it in normal distribution. If z is less than z1, so it is denoted as 0.5 plus phi of z1. And one more point, if probability of z is greater than z2, then it is denoted as 0.5 minus phi of z2. So always remember it, if it is less than plus sign, if it is greater than minus sign. And the value of phi of z1 and phi of z2 will obtain by using the normal distribution table here. So by using normal distribution table, we calculating z is less than z1 and z is greater than z2. So let us will start the example on normal distribution. The marks of 1000 students in an examination, so it follows the normal distribution with mean is 70 and standard deviation is 5. So find the number of students whose marks between less than 65, more than 75 and in between 65 and 75. Means the number of total number of students are 1000. So these 1000 students, they will obtain the marks between 65, 75, 65 to 75 range. So in calculating the probability values of student, they will obtain the marks 65, 75, etc. So solution of the problem. So here x represents the number of the students and mu, that is mean is 70 and standard deviation is 5. So these two values given in the problem, mean and standard deviation. And we have to using standard normal variate, that is formula for this one is z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. So substitute the value of mu and sigma, that is x minus 70 whole divided by 5. So using this standard normal variate, we calculating these three formula or these three problems one by one. So first one is the number of students they will obtain the marks less than 75. it is denoted as probability of x is less than 65. Suppose if x is equal to 65, so in substituting x equal to 65 in this formula, so 65 minus 70 whole divided by 5. So which gives the value as 1, that is z equal to minus 1. And this relation x is less than 65 is now denoted as z is less than minus 1. So minus 1 means it is the value of z here. So z is less than minus 1. In normal distribution, it is not possible to calculate the minus value. So hence, we will converting these minus in terms of plus here. So it is converted in this formula. Probability of z is greater than 1 here. So if it is negative term, always you have to express it in terms of plus sign. Then only it is possible to write the value in normal distribution table here. So z is greater than 1. So again we have to using the condition here. If z is less than z1, our condition is 0.5 plus 5 of z1. So here start. Probability of z is greater than 1. So greater than 1 means it is in the form of z is greater than z2 form or z is greater than z1 form. So condition is 0.5 minus 5 of z2. So use this 0.5 minus z2, our z2 value is 1. And according to normal distribution table, the value of pi of 1 is 0.3413. And after simplifying, it gives the answer as 0.1587. Then we will multiply this answer with the total number of students. So number of students scoring the marks less than 65 is 1000 into 65. So that gives the 158.7. Then second one is more than 75. So more than 75, it is denoted as probability of x is greater than 75. Suppose if we substitute x is equal to 75 again in standard normal V8 formula, then we will obtain the value of z is equal to 1. And this x is greater than 75 is symbolically denoted as probability of z is greater than 1. And z is greater than 1 means again it is in the form of z is greater than z2 form, 0.5 minus 5 of z2. So using this condition in our problem, and we will writing the 0.5 minus 5 of 1. So it is again similar like the previous step here. So here also finally we will get it 0.1587. Then last one is the number of students they will score between 65 and 75. So between 65 and 75 means x value belongs to the interval 65 to 75. So again we will substituting x equal to 65 in this formula. We will get it the value of z is 0.1 or z1 is minus 1. And if x is equal to 75, again if you substitute x equal to 75, we get it z2 value as 1 here. So you have to taking both the value minus 1 and plus 1 and expressing this condition as probability of minus 1 is less than z, z is less than 1 here. So here also sign is minus. So once again we will expressing in terms of plus sign by rewriting this term here. So we will expressing this term as probability of minus 1 is less than z, z is less than 1. So it is expressed as minus 1 is less than z, z is less than 0. And second term is 0 is less than z, z is less than 1 here. So once again we will expressing or converting this minus 1 into plus 1 by rewriting only first term, keeping second term as it is. So first term become 0 is less than z, z is less than 1, and second term again 0 is less than z, z is less than 1. So here we'll convert it minus into plus here. So here we'll get it the 2 times of same value. We will use the same term. 2 into probability of 0 is less than z, z is less than 1. Then in normal distribution table we are calculating phi of this 1. So 2 into phi of 1, our phi of 1 value is 0.3413. So after simplifying we will get it 0.6826. Then the number of students they score the marks between 65 to 75 is 1000 into 0.6826. So which use the 682.6. Thank you.